2601. A significant challenge arises when we ask whether there is any such thing as general aptitude. Many people are terrific at calculus but couldn't write a good essay or paint a good picture if their lives depended on it. Some people can walk into a room full of strangers and immediately figure out the relationships and feelings among them. Others may never learn this skill. As Will Rogers put it, everybody is ignorant, only on different topics. Clearly, individuals vary in their aptitude for learning any specific type of knowledge or skill taught in a specific way. 100 students attending a lecture on a topic they knew nothing about beforehand will all walk away with different amounts and kinds of learning and aptitude for that particular content, and that particular teaching method is one important factor in explaining these differences. But would the students who learned the most in this class also learn the most if the lecture were on a different topic, or if the same material were presented through hands-on experiences or in small groups? 2602. One implication of expectancy theory is that even though all students should have a chance to be rewarded if they do their best, no student should have an easy time achieving the maximum reward. This principle is violated by traditional grading practices, because some students find it easy to earn A's and B's, whereas others believe that they have little chance of academic success no matter what they do. In this circumstance, neither high achievers nor low achievers are likely to exert their best efforts. This is one reason why it is important to reward students for effort, for doing better than they have done in the past, or for making progress, rather than only for getting a high score. For example, students can build a portfolio of compositions, projects, reports, or other work and can then see how their work is improving over time. Not all students are equally capable of achieving high scores, but all are equally capable of exerting effort, exceeding their own past performance, or making progress, so these are often better, more equally available criteria on which to base reward. 2603. As students move into adolescence, they are developing capabilities for abstract thinking and understanding the perspectives of others. Even greater physical changes are taking place as the students approach puberty. So, with developing minds and bodies, young adolescents must confront the central issue of constructing an identity that will provide a firm basis for adulthood. They have been developing a sense of self since infancy. But adolescence marks the first time that a conscious effort is made to answer the now pressing question, "Who am I?" The conflict defining this stage is identity versus role confusion. Identity refers to the organization of an individual's drives, abilities, beliefs, and history into a consistent image of self. It involves deliberate choices and decisions, particularly about work, values, ideology, and commitments to people and ideas. If adolescents fail to integrate all these aspects and choices, or if they feel unable to choose at all, role confusion threatens.